Yeah, so these vectors are normally called mobile genetic elements. So the mobile is the fact that they can move between bacteria, within bacteria. And one of the main ways in which antimicrobial resistance is spread between bacteria is called a process called horizontal gene transfer. So this is normally done through plasmids, which I mentioned earlier, which has small piece of DNA that can move between bacteria. So the thing about plasmids is sometimes we can have one plasmid and then it can have multiple AMR genes carried in that one plasmid. So this is what we call multi-drug resistance. Like a bacterium that will have that plasmid will have multi-drug resistance because it carries a plasmid that has multiple antimicrobial resistance genes. So through, as this plasmid is a vector of these AMR genes, this plasmid, if it moves from one bacterium to the next one, it is transferring that multi-drug resistance to a bacterium that was probably previously susceptible to antibiotics and was treatable with available antibiotics. Now, if it acquires that through this plasmid, that bacterium becomes multi-drug resistant. That is why that is why AMR is a big problem, because if bacteria that are native to the river, for example, or that are common in our skin, if they acquire those antimicrobial resistance genes through plasmids or through these mobile genetic elements or these vectors, then they become resistant. And then previously treatable infections or simple infections can lead to illnesses that are fatal.